In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Mobile Passport Control. First, let's open the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device, or the App Store if you are on an iPhone. You can find these apps on your home screen or in your app drawer. As you open the store, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you will input the name of the app we need. Opening the store is the first essential step, as this is where you will access the app for downloading. Now let's search for Mobile Passport Control. In the search bar, type Mobile Passport Control and hit Enter or tap the search icon. You will see a list of apps appear on your screen. The search results should show various applications, but look for the one that matches our needs. This is an important step because you want to ensure that you find the correct app. Make sure the developer is U.S. Customs and Border Protection, often referred to as CBP. This step is crucial for your security. You want to ensure you are downloading an official application that is safe and reliable. Look for the developer information under the app name before proceeding. This helps you avoid any unofficial apps that could compromise your data. Next, tap Install if you are using an Android device, or Get if you are on an iPhone. After you tap the appropriate button, the app will begin downloading. You may see a progress bar indicating the download status. This is a simple step, but it is vital as it initiates the installation process. Now wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. It's important to allow the process to complete without interruption. You will receive a notification once the app is ready to use. This ensures that you have the latest version of the app, which is essential for smooth functionality. Once the installation is complete, open the Mobile Passport Control app. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping on the icon will launch the app and bring you to the welcome screen. This is an exciting moment because you are now ready to start using the app to simplify your travel experience. Next, create your profile by scanning or entering your passport information. The app will guide you through this process. Make sure to enter the information accurately. This step is important as it sets up your profile for customs processing. A correctly filled profile will speed up your experience at the airport. Finally, use the app before arriving at a participating U.S. airport or seaport to speed up the customs process. This is a crucial step to ensure that your travel goes smoothly. By using the app, you can save time waiting in line at customs, making your journey more efficient. You can relax, knowing that you have taken the necessary steps to streamline your arrival. With these steps completed, you're all set to enjoy a quicker customs experience. Downloading and using the Mobile Passport Control app is a smart choice for travelers. Thank you for watching and have a great trip.